Now we're digging into custom layers. So here you can see I've created 8 or 9 custom layers. If you click on one, it will preview it here over in the campus or in the canvas. So this example, I have a fire safety, I've got security cameras, I've got access points, computers, printers, an AV system. So I got my sound booth, my cameras, my speakers, projectors, and screens all laid out there. Nursery check-in, if you want to map out how the nursery check-in is. And just a really quick example of an office escape plan you can see right here. So just let's maybe edit a custom layer really quick. Maybe we added a security camera. So I'll go into security cameras and hit edit. So the big feature that you're going to want to use when it comes to custom layers is the clone feature. It's such a handy feature. It's right here. So I'm going to clone this security camera and I'm going to put it on the outside of the building right here, because maybe we added a security camera on the outside of the building. Just like that, we've edited the security camera's custom layer. You can also change the name of it here. And with custom layers, sorry, I should have mentioned this a second ago, but we've got shapes that can be used, and as well as icons and text. So our shapes, you can see here. Icons, this is going to be the same list of icons that we have over in when you're selecting a piece of equipment and wanting to link a piece of equipment to floor plan. Realizing that not everyone uses equipment the same way, you might want to just note where something is, and with a custom layer that works really well. If you're wanting to see, work order history, maintenance history, definitely link a piece of equipment if you're wanting to keep track of something that way. But we've got flexibility here with how custom layers are used. So that's security cameras, where I edited that one. Let's do a new custom layer, and this will be just to keep track of maybe our classroom projectors. I'll call it classroom projectors, hit next, and from here I'll go over into icons, and I've got a projector icon here. Hit plus, and you can click and drag this around into the different classrooms. We'll maybe zoom in a little bit, bring it back over, get that, oops, we clicked on accident, get that resized, and then we'll save that. So there's just an example of how to start doing a classroom projectors layer. I'll put it there, I'll duplicate it. So lets me put another one maybe in this classroom right here. I'll duplicate it again. And I'll put it in this classroom. And maybe those are the only classrooms that have got projectors. I'll save that. Save that custom layer. It added classroom projectors here at the bottom, as you can see. I can close out of that. And if I want to see where my projectors are, come back into here, custom layers, show classroom projectors. And just like that, we have added a custom layer of classroom projectors. These you can mix and match. You can show multiple layers or multiple custom layers on the floor plan at one time. One example might be if you're about my office area evacuation plan. Say I might want to print that out. So let's hide maybe some of my space information, my equipment information, and I want to just show my fire safety layer and the office escape plan. So there might be a little cleanup work you want to do. I made this one quick, but this be a quick way to build an escape plan for this office space as an example, where it shows where you are, the arrows, but it shows anything related to fire safety as well. You could export that to an image. And then just one note on my fire safety layer here, just as an example. You'll notice I've got my fire poles, my fire extinguishers, and my alarm panel, and the different fire extinguishers all on one layer. You could technically put those all on individual layers. There's the flexibility to do that there.